unboxing a Nespresso gift card. I wonder if that's ridiculous enough. Hi. Talk about an Nespresso gift card this morning. I had to buy it to get my machine repaired. Lovely black envelope and really nice little case or cardboard case that shows the number, and inside is just more black, and of course the card inside of here. And here be the card, Nespresso Coffee Club. And there is a barcode with a long number, credit card length number. And up in the little corner here is a tiny scratch off, which you need to scratch that off in order to validate the card when you put your order in online. So that's unboxing a Nespresso gift card. I wonder if that's ridiculous enough.